Hello, class. Good morning, all of you. And here we are with another topic today, that is nouns, countable and uncountable. We have already studied nouns, right? So now here we are with the kinds, that is uncountable and countable. And here we go. So you can see here countable nouns which can be counted simply with the term it is, right? Like book, cat, uncle, banana, television, and many more. The same way, here uncountable is love, fun, water, rice, information, and of course many more other. Let's get it deeply. Let's get the definitions of it. And here it is, countable nouns first. We can see it. The things or persons which can be counted are called countable nouns, as described in the previous slide also. Now, what is it? Countable nouns, we can discuss it. We can have forms of singular as well as plural of the countable nouns. Like examples here, boy, dress. And the plural of this would be boys and dresses. Let's move to uncountable noun. Uncountable noun are the things which cannot be counted. So, what cannot be counted? Like love, you cannot count. Rice, you cannot count. Kilos of rice you can count, right? Now, milk you cannot count, but liters of milk you can count. So, we are counting the liters. We are not counting milk. We are not counting water. So, these all words come in uncountable. Now, here, singular forms. Uncountable nouns can have singular forms like here, rice, money, love. But what it is? Uncountable nouns cannot have plural forms. They always come in singular form only. Children, we need to remember this, that uncountable nouns comes in singular form only. They don't have any plural form. Like if you write love, loves, possible? No. Like information, informations? No. Rice, rices? No. So that is how we do not have plural form of uncountable nouns. Now I hope you understood it. Now let's have some practice over here. The same practice you can find in your book as well. Now we have the sentence here and we are to identify the countable nouns. So please bring me a glass of water. What are the nouns here? So let's see, glass and water, right? These two are nouns. But which is countable and which is uncountable? So as we are to identify only countable here, so what's my answer? Glass. Because glasses we can count, but water, as told, it is uncountable noun, we cannot count. Now the second question, the boys are playing football. Now which are the nouns here? Boys and football, and both are the words which come under countable noun. Now let's have the third example here. He is eating an apple. Which are the nouns here? You know better, he here is pronoun. Is eating is verb forms, right? And then an is my article and apple is my noun. So apple can be counted or not? Yes, of course. So it is again countable noun. Let's move to the next. Radha has 4 new dresses. Radha and dresses. I guess you can identify the nouns here, right? But there's a confusion. Radha, I can count Radha, but here Radha is a special name. It is not common noun, right? So Radha would not come in countable noun. Only dresses word would come here in the countable nouns. So in the sentence, what we understood? The proper nouns, whether we can count or not count it, but we do not bring proper nouns in the category of countable and uncountable nouns. Let's move to the next one. I prefer a cup of tea to coffee. Now, which are the countable nouns and uncountable nouns? And of course, nouns. So, here we have three words: cup, tea, and coffee. But which is the countable? Cup. Tea and coffee, they are uncountable noun. Let's have another practice. Now in this slide, in this one, what we are to do? We are to identify uncountable nouns. We like rain. Which is the noun here? Only word rain, and rain cannot be counted. So it is uncountable noun. The kids like to play in mud. Which are the nouns here? Kids and mud. But kids can be counted. So they will not come in uncountable nouns. And which is the uncountable one here? Mud. Mud we cannot count. Don't spend so much money. Which is the noun here? Only word money. So money cannot be counted. Rupees can be counted. I have 100 rupees, I have 10 rupees, I have 1000 rupees. But if you say the term money, money cannot be counted. Now, next one. The grass is green. So, which is the noun here? Grass. And what is green? Green is adjective. So, grass is my uncountable noun here because I cannot count grass. It's ample of, right? Now the next turn. She has black long hair. Now which are the nouns here? Here we have only one noun, and that is hair. Now you can see black and long both are adjective, and she here is pronoun. So here again cannot be counted, and it will fall on uncountable nouns category. Understood? Thank you, bache. Revise well, all of you. Hello, class.